Ago versus before. Ago. It is for how much time into the past something happened. For example, I ate lunch about 5 minutes ago. In this example, the action has done in the past 5 minutes ago from the current situation. So, ago is used in this example. Next, she graduated 2 years ago. In this example, the action also was done in the past 2 years ago. That's why ago is used here. Now, before. It tells about two things that happened. For example, I ate breakfast before I left for work. You can see here the first thing is having breakfast and the second is left for work. That's why before is used here for telling these two things. Next, she graduated before her sister. In this example, the subject she is compared to her sister about performed her action. So before is used here. Let's see more difference by more examples. I started this job 3 years dash ago. He arrived dash the party started before. This hotel is better than the one we stayed at dash before. She moved to the New York 7 years dash ago. They got married 10 years dash ago. I saw her 3 years dash I went to Spain before. Did you go home dash my sister went to the gym before. I was living in Paris 3 years dash ago. She left the office 3 hours dash ago.